Yeah, no, we literally bought everything back. I mean, we're about to touch all-time highs. We edge all-time highs.
Yeah.
That's a crazy edge. Even
Like I'm not
to
a pattern trader or anything, but like that hourly did technically just make a double bottom.
honestly, I don't even know what that means. Like higher?
So like price comes down and like it makes a low and then it sharply rejects up and then it comes down again, makes another low and sharply rejects, and now we leave all those wicks below. And it's like a they call it like a double bottom. So then like they would expect like this leg here to keep distributing now.
Okay, I wouldn't mind that honestly.
Would be interesting. ES looks like it's like lagging now compared to NQ towards all time highs.
Yeah,
Um, we do still have like previous week high like SMT though with ES,
we do. Yep.
and I mean all time highs is basically equal highs now. So I mean this area we just gotta kind of see like a confirmation in direction. We have equal lows below us at 806. All time highs also equal highs now.
Yeah, we
Um,
do. True.
we technically have like a London low on that 430 candle low. I would consider that London. And then we have like that 1 a.m. like internal low, kind of like stacked below that.
Let me just turn on my session. Okay, yeah. Yep, I have those.
And like it would have been ideal if we did sweep all time highs because I could like be confident and short more. But now that we've made it equal highs, it's kind of weird. But like ideally, like it looks like we kind of AMD'd on the 15 and we might take out the range lows. Kind of depends on this BPR though.
It definitely does look like AMD. I don't know. I get nervous. Like, I feel like
I mean, yeah,
previous.
we're really close to all time highs. That's the thing.
Yeah,
We could very well go 27K Nasdaq today too. That's the thing. So
very true. Yeah, we could totally.
I'd really just watch this 15. I mean, if we're strong and we push above all time highs and like hold strength at that point, I mean, you just have to play for like psych levels.
Yeah. Or standard deviation projections, but.
Yeah, just some form of projections.
Hmm.
Realistically, I'll just be watching like this, like kind of 15-minute BPR into open. I mean, looking like we're pushing above it.
Yeah, looking strong here.
Yeah, this 4 hour has gotten kind of slow though. Like after the expansion, we're like kind of ranging up here. So I guess now we'll kind of see if we're gonna like break the range higher just to continue, or if we like rebalance again. But like the higher time frame is really not trying to retrace at all.
Yeah, I mean, one would expect it to, but
I mean the daily just looks insane.
that is ridiculous, bro.
We finally made a red candle yesterday.
Yeah, jeez.
See. Yeah, we're starting to trade above that 15 a little bit here. And we're kind of invalidating like the 15-minute flip. Like it's like a failed inverse.
Yeah. Honestly, I want to see that inverse fail.
Yeah, it looks like it will. So that like that 15-minute inverse, like just because it inverse like that, like that'd be an inverse I'd low key want to see the change in state with.
Exactly. Yes, you're right. 100%.
Since it's like so close, like you'd rather it actually close that entire structure and then make the true flip.
100% agreed.
We can mirror off ES today as well. Like ES could very well run for its all time highs, so we can kind of like should be able to mirror NQ to that
Hmm.
if we don't have targets on NQ higher after sweeping here.
Valid.
ES has like 35 points in movement to make for all time highs, our previous week high basically.
Yeah,
And then like so far on the weekly, like after the weekly sweep, like NQ doesn't look like it's really holding the sweep. It looks like we want to run that high almost. We're just like hanging around it.
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And then honestly, YM might start dumping well, like NQ and ES might rip higher. just the way YM looks.
I mean, I wouldn't mind.
Wouldn't be bad. Let's see. Got like 3.5 minutes. Crypto's running.
Yeah, I know. It was nice to wake up to Ethereum fucking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, my Ethereum's up 13% already. Dude, like, I don't realize, like, small little, like, moves like that, bro. It's pretty, like, you could easily outperform.
Honestly, I mean, it's really like, honestly, trading is like all kind of like leverage. Like, it's not even about like like getting a big move. It's just how much you're leveraging.
Very true. Yep.
That's why like that's why hedge funds are able to like run the most weird kind of positions but print off of it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, but Bitcoin kind of like Bitcoin looks scary when you look at like a monthly time frame. I feel like
Honestly, I haven't even checked Bitcoin on the monthly. I haven't checked it. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that does actually look kind of scary. I like
looks like
I like Ethereum. Ethereum looks better. We held like a monthly and a weekly for Valley Gap.
Ethereum does look a lot better.
Yeah.
Ethereum made a higher low, and Q made or NQ Bitcoin made the lower low.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean this 15 into the open, like this candle looks strong as shit.
Mm-hmm.
It's also just like a part of the range though too. Realistically, I mean we're in like a big accordion. Like when you zoom out, looking at Friday till now, it's just like a tall like range.
Mm-hmm. This could be accumulation phase for like another AMD on the higher time frame, you know.
Yeah, honestly. How hard do we have to run to 27K? Like 115 points. That's really, really not like impossible.
Dude, that's one tweet, bro.
Yeah, really. That's one tweet, one candle.
Come on, dude.
Authoring says we should long and short, and we should do both.
Yo, I'm gonna miss open, but I'll be right back.
But mm, this structure is just really, like, really fucked up. We're leaving behind like a lot of engineered lows, and then like slow grinding, like stair stepping our way towards all-time highs. The way NQ looks, like if we're actually strong, like ideally we're gonna keep making new highs. I kind of want to see NQ 27K today. Would be like a nice like overall psych level to see. We have the open here. That 15-minute gap did end up getting inversed on both pairs there as well. Some T off the open. I'll probably execute some shit on paper if I see anything. Let's see.
Alright.
All right, so pretty anticlimactic opening.
I was expecting us to run all-time highs there, honestly, before I was gone.
Might just in a second here. Kind of just inside of these 1 minute gaps. We flipped the 15-minute, like reflipped it. So it's bearish versus failed.
Okay.
I'm really just trying to think if all those lows are engineered below and we go run them.
We honestly could, very could.
806 is like perfect equal lows as well, like to the tick, right below midnight.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
Wow.
We have S&T at the top with ES. ES isn't like too weak just yet. Let me check YM real quick to see. Okay, YM's ripping.
Wow.
The
3 minute close.
looks interesting. I mean,
Yes.
kind of looks like we're weak up here for the most part. Just have to correlate. It's a good catch roll on. Is that a 30 second? Or is that oh no, that's the 1 minute close. Let's see.
Beautiful, Rohan. Yeah.
Nice.
Good shit.
Oh shit. I accidentally had ES up twice. I didn't know. Alright. Well, now we have S&T at these internal lows here.
Mm-hmm.
ES is like super wiki.
I don't like that. Like how.
Damn, bro, hit a 2Q TP. Yeah, it's like we're starting to kind of like yesterday where we're starting to kind of like stall and wick.
Mm-hmm. SMT
At this area.
Sunday.
Mm-hmm. Only thing, it's just weird. Like the 5 and the 15 is just we're just in a wide range, really.
Yeah. I mean, fuck, dude. If this 5 minute closes, like, this is really nice, honestly.
It's just crazy that they they reimburse the 15 and then sell it back.
Mm-hmm.
They hesitate everyone. Good shit, Rowan. Little 2 candle TP.
Wow, that's insane, dude. Good shit, bro.
ES is slowly starting to catch up.
Mm-hmm.
Move. We got first percentage right above us. 932 candle. This could still end up selling through the range lows, like the overall range.
Definitely, yeah.
This entire accumulation. It's just really weird to like edge all-time highs like that and then like never sweep it.
It really is weird, dude. Honestly.
We have SMTs now, the pre-market lows.
Mm-hmm.
3 minute gap above us, 2 minute, and then like the first percentage overall. See what we do in those.
Yep. This 5 minute does look. I mean, I just don't like ES. Doesn't look aligned at all. Like.
Yeah, ES is definitely holding stronger.
Yeah.
We're really just playing inside of like this range here. We need to like. I'm gonna just have to wait to break inside or like see if this bearish move continues for all those lows. But this correlation is crazy though. Even YM doesn't really look that good either. Interesting. So we're inside that 3 minute and like 2 minute and first presented here.
Yeah. Let's see what happens here.
ES hasn't made any of those gaps though.
See, I really don't like this correlation, but
Yeah, it is odd. You just have SMT on the top and the bottom. 3 minute gap is holding. 2 minute.
pretty decent 30-second there, honestly.
Yeah, I wanted to go check to see if we had any seconds. It wasn't too bad.
Out of the 3 minute, but I didn't.
It was just a bigger cap, like a bigger inverse.
Yeah. That wick also is a little scary. But...
Yeah, the wick's not that ideal. Yes, also just like not wanting to come down.
Nah, this correlation is crazy, bro, honestly.
Yeah, it really is. No way, it's just gonna be like a dead day of price, right?
I really hope not. Maybe we open this 5 minute and get something, but...
Yeah. How long do we have on the 5? 10 seconds. It's just like, look at how ES is like printing what like NQ kind of stalls lower.
Mm-hmm.
It's not ideal. That is fucked up.
It's fucked up, dude.
It's just fucked because it's like obviously you want to take something, but it's like when this shit's not offering anything, it's like just like it's boring. You don't want to force any capital into this shit and you get chopped out. It's just not worth it.
So we swept the previous 5 minute high.
Mm-hmm. SMT'd it.
But there's a gap on NQ and not on ES.
Right. And low key would want to see that gap get tapped here.
Yeah.
Since we're like trading closer to it.
Yeah.
I mean, lower only makes sense just based on having like we have perfect equal lows. We have midnight resting just above those equal lows. And then you have low resistance down to like 765 range lows. And like we're just seeing constant rejection towards all-time highs, like sharp rejection. So it's kind of like the main thing is just ES has to catch up. I think if ES starts falling, like we just go.
Yeah, no, I agree. I agree, 100%.
That's really all it is. Every time ES spikes, it's dragging NQ with it, but NQ's not really that willing to move higher.
Mm-hmm. There's the 5-minute tap, but
I also forgot to turn my profiles on, but we also are like failing to hold above like the value area high for the entire like overnight till now. So like 6 p.m. till like now's profile.
okay.
But we are sitting around like the point of control, which would make sense as to why we chop. And the value area lows aligned with those equal lows at 806.
Okay, 806, yeah.
Let me see. We did tap the 5 there. I didn't peep.
Yeah, I wanted to see more of a
More displacement.
Yeah, but
Oh, you wanted like a deeper retrace? Let me see. Where's fibs at? I mean, depending how you take the fib, we did tap EQ there. But like also these candles aren't really like displacing hard enough.
yeah.
Where's the volatility at, bro?
For real. Alright, let's see. CE with the fair value gap here.
Sheesh, kind of candle is that?
Yeah.
All right, who's tweeting?
Bodies respected. Let's see the bodies.
Do I have SMT again now?
Mm-hmm.
All of a sudden now ES is weaker?
What the fuck?
What the? Let's see. I mean, that's like, I wouldn't be confident in longs because the bottom, we didn't really tap in anything. We just made an SMT.
Mm-hmm.
It's not strong enough for me to be bullish. But I really do just want to see ES get weaker and see NQ kind of hold this 5-minute area and start to fall with it.
Agreed. If we flip this 30-second, I'll take it, but I mean, we're not. It doesn't look like it yet.
Yeah, super like indecisive. This would be 10 times easier if we actually swept the all-time highs out.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
That's almost probably why price is chopping this. It's like we edged all-time highs. That's like the final high in price. There's definitely a shit ton of orders just sitting there.
Yep.
Yes, it's starting to range now. What kind of shit is this?
It's cooked.
Literally.
It's unbelievable, dude.
They literally just switched strength. See what happens. Macro is coming up here.
Come on, NQ. Dude, we haven't had a good New York session in so long.
It's actually like New York is actually patched.
It's so fucked, dude.
That's why I've just been trying to look at overnight, take advantage of that shit. And if I can get away from New York, I get away.
No, it's totally valid, dude.
Because 95% of the time, the shit just sucks.
Mm. Yeah, it's been a hard market. I'm not gonna lie, it really has been.
Yeah. I mean, they sent us from high time frame consolidation into all-time high conditions.
Mm-hmm. In like 12 days, 8 days.
Yep. No in between. Literally just in that order.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see. So we flipped first presented. Technically, there's 5 minutes, 3.5 minutes. If it's gonna flip, 3 minutes, a minute and a half. It just struck like mechanically. That's not even like a valid inverse, though, right? Because I mean, or would it be?
I don't think so, honestly, no. But SMT now high day.
Yeah. Now ES is getting stronger again.
Mm-hmm.
The bottom looks somewhat similar to yesterday, where we stalled. Well, we started off with kind of like speed down, stalled wicks at the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
and then we start buying back up.
True.
Damn.
Wow.
Let's see. This 3 minutes probably gonna flip. Let's see, 5 minute, 2 minutes on that. I just don't like this range.
No, I don't either, honestly.
Because now we're seeing rejection at both sides of the range. Okay.
Well,
What the fuck?
I mean, that was OTE, but I didn't even take
Valid.
it.
5 minutes to holding technically.
Mm-hmm. I mean, this looks good for lower here now, honestly.
Maybe a little 1 minute CIST.
Yeah.
Ooh, they did not get the CIST.
Nah, but we did make an IFG. I'm gonna still take a stab here.
But
I'm gonna go light.
yeah, SMT at the top and strong volume candle down. It's not bad.
Yeah, that's a nice break even at low a day.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop above the inverse. Target.
Ooh, they get the 30-second changes today. They look good with the inverse. Not bad. What are you targeting?
Probably London low, honestly.
But yeah, that's solid. See if ES can stay correlated. If ES keeps dumping, like Enki's obviously wanting to move lower from the looks of it.
Let's run it.
Just cap retest and then just flush it.
Run it.
You're gonna break even at what low of day, I assume.
Yeah, SMT either or.
But
Run it.
flush that shit. Thank you.
I don't like these wicks. Should just run here.
Yeah, shouldn't see it stall.
No.
If this is gonna be the move. also correlated with ES now, so just send it, Enki.
Come on. Let me go break even here. W. Break even here.
Nice.
Instant break even.
Should come down for those equal lows at 806 at least in midnight
Yeah, true. We just tapped midnight there on MNQ.
on micros.
Yeah.
Okay. Like edge it on minis for a little bit.
No way.
That is actually insane. No way we're gonna hold that like small ass SMT.
Wow, dude. That's so disgusting.
Foul. Actually foul.
Yeah, that was a break even for me too. Order. That was disgusting. Spike your TP. Good shit, Hyman. You had at midnight. Yeah, that was fire. Good shit, dude. That was valid. 1-to-1 saved you there, you know.
These markets, man, it's like you damn near can't even get a 1-to-1 sometimes with this shit.
Yeah. That shit was clean.
Any other day, this shit should have delivered. Yeah, I mean, this shit is just we're like rejecting both ends of the range.
Yeah.
And like every time we keep like coming down into, so point of control is at like 829, and every time we like come around that area, we just keep stalling. So my thought process is like if we finally like break that area like clean, we should just trend for the lows. It's like we just got to break out of like this range. We're literally just in the middle of the entire range, like going all the way back to like Tuesday even.
This 30 seconds pretty nice too, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna re-enter. But yeah, fuck. Wow, that just saved me. I almost did it impulsively.
We need to see. It's just like because ES is getting discorrelated again.
Yeah. And the SMT, like, dude, this just looks super rangy, honestly. Just scaling up to like a 5-minute or anything.
Yeah, it is. It's super range bound because we're not expanding for like higher. Like we're not moving towards draws higher, but we're also stalling above like the draws lower. Just like forming accumulation.
Yeah, there's.
That's what happens when they want to spike the market all-time highs in days. We have to sit through this garbage every day. Back to the top of the range.
30 seconds in this 5-minute. Let's see if we now reflip this.
Sheesh. It's insane. The market's been open for like 30 minutes, but we haven't picked a direction.
We haven't done anything. It's crazy.
Like, bro, even my port is ranging. Like, that's how you know it's bad. Shit going to the right. Market's literally waiting on a tweet.
It honestly feels like it at this point.
Trump says they've extended the ceasefire for 3 to 5 days.
He just said that?
7 minutes ago.
Shit. Oh, so that's where I got my break even.
Potentially, yeah. Insane.
So
yep, 3 to 5 day extension.
If you didn't tweet that out, we'd be sitting pretty right now in London lows.
Yeah, potentially. I think so. Honestly. That's insane, man. Like 3 to 5 days. Like my thing is like, what's the point? Like you extend it for 3 to 5 days. So what does that mean? You guys take a break bombing each other and then after 5 days you go back to it?
That sounds like it, honestly.
Like what the? Every other day. This is only now. So this are old days.
Yeah, peace out, Ro.
Okay, bro. Take it easy, bro.
Yep.
Bro, this shit here. Honestly, if like I were you, I would only give this shit like one more try, and that would only it'd have to be like crystal clear A+. If not, I would just take the break even. To be honest,
Yeah, honestly, I'll probably
where
stay.
just
I'll stay for the rest of this macro, and if there's nothing like A plus, it just jumps out.
yeah, it's fine.
Honestly, dude, I'm kind of pissed I missed a market open because I probably would have taken that 1 minute short at market open.
That opening.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah,
that inverse. Tap the rejection block. SMT at that high, and then we just flushed.
yeah, it wasn't really bad.
Oh wait, did that? Oh, I didn't realize that candle as it closed had that massive.
Like it had a huge wick, yeah, it had a wicked wick
I would not have.
from the lower gap.
Yeah.
If it would have flipped like both the gaps, like that 923 gap as well, would have been nice.
Mm-hmm.
Like if that candle closed where the wick was, it would have flipped all those gaps, and then it would have been solid, and we would have got the CISD at the top, the small one.
For sure, yeah.
We still holding the 5 minute. Technically, shit looks ass though. Like holy.
Yeah, this looks terrible.
Like the levels on the volume profile are side of a range we're in. Usually they should be like expanded. We're just like tightening.
Dude, we're in between triple equal lows, and then
Yep. An equal high,
at
all time high equal highs.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I mean that's just fried. And the market is like it's like whipsawing to either direction, but it's like it's still ranging. We're just like rejecting both ends consistently.
So fucked, dude.
I use days like this. I compare them to like those easy trend days we get where market just like either runs up or dumps and then gives light retrace and just continues with displacement.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can't wait to see what setup Dodge is gonna call. Squishy donuts.
He better not fucking call any kind of setup today because all these inverses were realistically like not. There was really nothing that was like A+, or you could have high conviction on. He might call that 1 minute at the top though.
Yeah. No, that wick, there's no way.
One would think, man. He'd be like, this is what a lot of screen time and chart time gets you. A lot of people faded this wick, but I knew this one was gonna hit. You know, it takes winning IFPG so you can never beat him. It's real, man.
I mean, honestly, dude, like, as much as it, gets me angry, it's W marketing because, like.
I mean, it's all marketing at the end of the day, yeah.
Yeah. And it gets me angry, but like not enough angry to comment, but it gets a lot of people angry to comment. Like.
Yeah, I mean, if you know it's a rage rate, you just like you're not gonna end up like engaging with it.
Yeah. But like it's smart. Honestly.
But like this marketing shit has got to like. It's like there's certain like I feel like certain niches where like marketing has to be like limited. Like in the trading space, if you're gonna market, I feel like you have to be putting up a track record or something if you're gonna like market shit every day. I feel like
that's valid, yeah.
And like I guess Dodgy's thing is like he doesn't want people knowing how much money he has, but it's like, bro, showing a payout every other month or so is like not showing people how much you have.
Mm-hmm.
It's just giving you credibility. But he has a Lambo, so what do I know?
True. We just got a dodgy signal in that 1 minute. I'm not taking it, but let's see if that delivers.
My stop loss got slipped on paper.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even.
That signal.
This shit is just ridiculous, man.
Bro, that's insane.
That's the one he's gonna call now.
I mean, that's the one I'm gonna call. That's insane, bro. What the fuck?
Wait, that flipped on micros?
Yeah.
That shit did not flip on minis.
Wow.
Tried. That is insane. Wow. Is this where we get delivery into some draw?
Previous day high, yeah.
I would think. See, ES made that move look way cleaner.
Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, do you see the micros?
Let me check. I'm gonna check micros right now.
Micros look pretty clean.
Oh yeah, see the close on micros was actually like super nice. The minis close is like it like was about to close through and then at the last second like whipped and barely closed under
Shit.
by like maybe like a tick or something. Yeah, by like a tick.
No way we make triple equal highs, right?
That would be insane.
That would be disgusting, bro.
Ideally, we like hold this little retrace and then just flush the high. See, like this is what price should look like: clean leg up,
Mm-hmm.
areas to retrace. Ideally, get clean retrace and then the clear draw.
Mm-hmm.
Why can't it just be that easy? Why do they have to fucking chop the shit?
You and me both.
They wait.
Bro.
They wait for everyone to liquidate themselves and they make the real move.
Yep.
Typical. Damn, 10 out of limit down here. Like off of this most like recent that we made and the limit got edged insane.
Fuck.
I'm not gonna lie, I hate limit orders.
Yeah, I've been like I've gotten away from them too.
Even when I play like a rejection block or I play fibs, like I'll just market order the reaction instead of like limiting the fill.
That's valid. Yeah.
Yeah, are we actually gonna edge all time asking?
That's crazy if we do, bro.
I mean, I would expect this gap just to send us for the draw at this point.
Yeah. Right.
Would make the most sense. Audrey said, "Let's go." We're not squishy donuts. That was a nice trade.
That's funny.
Holding 3 micros for runners. Valid.
Good shit. There's no way we edge it, right?
We do edge it because I top blasted on paper.
No way.
We're never getting all time highs.
No way. That's insane work, bro.
Jesus.
That is
Like,
insane.
what the fuck?
Wow. Well,
We're gonna edge this shit for 2 more weeks? Nah, that's crazy.
I'm at a loss for words, honestly.
Yeah, that's an insane edge. We edged all time highs by a point and 3 ticks. Basically 2 points.
I'm actually at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say.
Like, wow. I mean, hey, that confirms that today is it's either a no trade day or if you are green on the day, just get off of this garbage.
Honestly, I'm gonna lock out after that. I'm locking out.
Completely valid. Because it's like, yeah, what? Like, we're edging draws lower, and then we've come up to all-time highs, what now? Almost 3 times, basically. Rejected.
Dude, that's actually disgusting.
I mean, they're definitely going to run it out sometime today. It's just shit.
Yeah, no, at some point today, we're going to look back at the charts and we're going to be,
Just floating 27K.
yeah, we're going to be at 27K, but
I wouldn't doubt it. Look at that. They sent that inverse, made everyone go short. Now they're going to stop them all up.
wow, dude.
I mean, I wouldn't think anyone would have taken that inverse, though.
No.
Definitely not. There'd be no reason to take that.
And then,
But
I mean,
there's pattern traders who most likely did try that.
the thing is, anyone that tried to go long in the area of like 954 to like 959 just got stopped on that because they were break even after we took out those internal highs.
Oh yeah, deadass.
That's what the fucked up part is because anyone like look at that now that's previous day high like
You know what's funny on that retrace? We literally came down and then filled 10 a.m. open and then just flipped to all-time high.
So Powell probably fucking caught that.
Maybe not though, just because like that was like the only confluence, I guess.
Dude,
that's just like I don't know, like the way that delivered is just like that's fucked. Yeah. It's like broke even the people that are long in that bottom of the range basically, and then even if you tried to like get a top blast, you also got stopped. Then they ran it.
Mm-hmm. CEO 1 minute fair value inverse fair value.
Yeah, it's actually insane.
Dude, that's what I used to literally do that. Once we made the IFG, limit the CE of it.
Yeah, you did used to take the retest.
That would have been a bottom tick. That's insane. Yeah, Hyman. It's we're gonna pack up shop.
Yeah, the shit. I mean, yeah, we got the all-time highs to deliver, but I mean, realistically, there was nothing to take towards it.
Bro, midnight limit would have been fire, bro.
I feel like it's fucked up because minis didn't tap midnight.
Wow, that is fucked.
But then also midnight was right above equal lows. I would have at least wanted to see the equal lows taken out. Mm-hmm. So like that's the thing really is like we didn't really get like manipulation lower realistically. Like I mean we took out like the pre-market lows and made SMT, but I wouldn't consider that like a true manipulation, I guess. But it did end up playing out. Mm-hmm.
You called 805 earlier and we hit that shit and flipped LOL.
805.
I think you did.
Oh yeah, were those equal lows? So did micros take those then?
No, but it wasn't like equal lows on micros.
Oh, it wasn't. What?
Oh. There were a few, like a point off or two.
That's still fucked up though, because that's like still a like nice accumulation range this week.
Yeah, no, but that's what I'm saying. Like, how fucked up is that? We made a triple equal lows right there. Like,
yeah, like that's fried. Because see, if we would have swept that out, that's like basically accumulation range low. Mm-hmm. And then at that point, like the reaction up might have been even stronger because we actually swept out like an area where stops would really be at.
Yeah. I don't know.
I mean, yeah. Well, chop day. Still got 2 days on the week, so it's whatever.
For real order.
Today was also no trade day. I mean, not no trade day. It was a no news day, so it's like,
yeah.
There's that.
Mm-hmm. Just bad.
We at least get news for the next 2 days.
Yeah.
I mean, either way, the delivery is still pretty choppy. Like any of the long entries, there's so many retraces where you could have got break even on.
Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. GG's if you were able to manage today. Today was tough.
For sure.
I don't know. I'm probably not gonna sit here though. Fuck this. This market looks
Yeah, no, I
nice.
mean,
Again.
we took our all-time highs now, and after seeing this range, like, yeah, fuck that.
Might have to start streaming during fucking Asia, bro. This shit's getting
The
old.
dead ass, bro. I'm telling you. Just sit on gold during Asia.
Dead ass.
It's nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll catch you boys tomorrow morning.
Peace out, Hyman. Good shit, Rob. But peace out, fellas. We'll see
Yes,
you guys
sir.
tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Take it easy, boys.
Peace.